Hello, this is Good Health, Good Life, a channel where I am promoting healthy living by sharing with you the health benefits of the herbs and also sharing with you healthy living tips. It is my desire to see each and every one of you to live in good health because I strongly believe that the worst enemy of man is diseases. So let us all do well to practice healthy living. This afternoon, I entered my farm to get some fresh corn, and I want to share with you the health benefits of the hairy part of the corn with you. So as you can see, the hairy part of the corn is what we call the corn silk. This corn silk is used to prepare tea. You can use the fresh corn silk or the dried corn silk to prepare the tea. Now, very quickly, let me share with you the health benefits of drinking the corn silk tea. Number one is it is good for the treatment of all prostate related issues. All prostate related issues are treated by drinking the corn silk tea. Also, the corn silk tea is good for the treatment of urinary tract infections. Now, if you are also suffering from kidney related problems, then start drinking the corn silk tea. It's a very good herbal remedy for the treatment of all kidney related issues. Another health benefit of drinking the corn silk tea is it is a very good treatment for diabetes. So when you are drinking the tea, it helps your body to lower your sugar level. It's also good for the treatment or lowering of high blood pressure. Now, this corn silk tea also is diuretic, which means when you are drinking the corn silk tea, it helps your body to eliminate toxins in the form of urine. So you'll be urinating frequently anytime you drink the corn silk tea. Now, those are some few benefits of drinking the corn silk tea. Very quickly, how are you going to prepare the corn silk tea? All you need to do is get a handful of the fresh corn silk or the dried corn silk, put it in a cup and boil 1.5 or 2 liters of water and add it to the corn silk. Cover it and let it stand for about 5 to 10 minutes, after which you strain it and drink it. So you are going to drink this 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the afternoon, and 1 cup in the evening. You continue with this for at least 1 month if you are treating any of the medical conditions I have mentioned, or if you want to prevent any of the medical conditions I have mentioned. Anywhere you see corn silk, please pay attention to it. Don't only be interested in the corn or the maize. It's very important. If you have learned something new from this video, then I want you to like the video, and also don't keep this message to yourself. Share it with your family and friends. And to be part of this amazing family, kindly subscribe to my channel Good Health, Good Life. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this amazing video. Until I see you in the next one, eat healthy meals, exercise on daily basis, and also visit the hospital on regular basis to know your health status. Peace.